Hey guys, what's up? So we thought we'll do another vlog today because there's some updates. I'm taking my car for some warranty replacements. There's also a recall on one of the modules which does the stabilization of the suspension. So I thought we'll go there, we'll catalog some of that and show you what happens, and then show you some of the other stuff that we've been up to. So hold your horses, let's quickly get started. So we had quite a long day at the workshop. So there were a few things that were wrong. So there was some defect in the third tail light, the brake light actually, and so they replaced that. That was done under warranty. There was also a PASM recall. So the control unit for the active stability management system from Porsche, there was an upgrade for that, so they wanted to swap that. So a little bit of the paneling in the trunk came out, and then this control unit was removed and replaced. And then finally we had a software update for the PCM, and that was done. So all of that took a little bit of a while because the software update, and they constantly have to check with their computer and then submit reports to Porsche for warranty. So all of that happened. So we spent almost the entire day there. Now we're heading back. We have quite a lot of work left at office, so we'll try and get some of that done. We wanted to go visit this really nice place, which is apparently really fun to drive, but I don't think that'll be possible today because it's almost 5 o'clock in the evening. So we'll pick another day for that, and I want to take you guys for that journey as well. So we just shot the video for the Galaxy M51. So I have the phone, I can't show it to you more than I already did because of embargo. So we'll have the video out tomorrow. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button because you'll see that video tomorrow. And let's go get some fuel in the car, and then we'll go back to the studio and get the rest of the work done. So we have almost everything. We're planning on doing an update to the Hackintosh. This board, we got this when we built the Hackintosh. The board basically failed on us, and then when we sent it for service, the service guys said that the socket is bad, and they replaced the socket. And after they replaced the socket, 2 of my RAM slots stopped working, so I lost dual channel RAM, and one of the PCIe slots stopped working, and the Hackintosh randomly shuts down. So the board is definitely faulty, and it's horrible support from Gigabyte because if your board goes bad, you're basically done. But we still bought 2 more. So we're deciding to duplicate the Hackintosh because when it was working really well. And the socket is just an unfortunate thing. I don't think it's ever happened to me before. And in general, I've read that this board is fairly reliable. It's just that Gigabyte service in India sucks. So if Gigabyte you're watching, my board is damaged because of your guys at the service center, not because of us. We've also got 2 Core i9s to upgrade from the Core i7 that we originally put. And I also got a GPU SAG bracket. I actually got 2 of those. We also got some new 970 Evo NVMe drives. We've also got the other SAG bracket. We've also got some new RAM, 3200 Corsair. It's actually 3600, even though Intel doesn't take too much advantage of that. I got a really good deal on this. It's the Vengeance Pro. So we got this. Maybe we can use it later on for some Ryzen builds as well. And that's it. That's basically it in this big bag of stuff. We've also got this power supply, but then we decided to swap this out for 1000 watts power supplies. So because the Vega 64 uses quite a lot of power, and then we have a bunch of other things as well, I think it was constantly ejecting some of our PCIe peripherals, and we have an SSD RAID going on in the Hackintosh. So I'm just going an extra this thing because if the new AMD GPUs come out, which are expected and they will be compatible with Hackintosh, I might just upgrade the Vega 64s. So let me just show you the new power supply. So these are the two power supplies. Again, 1000 watts, completely modular. Power supply shortage is a real thing, and everything is like super expensive. Again, we got a good deal on this, but prices are going up. If you're looking for power supplies, now is the time to buy, because from what I've heard, the power supply prices are really going up. Okay, the other thing we are doing is pretty interesting. So we made a cart for the Hackintosh. Let me show you. So we made this, and it's quite cool. It's unlockable, and it's got wheels, so it allows us to move the Hackintosh around. And then if you put it like this, you can lock the wheels. So we want to make a few of these trolleys just to move stuff around the office. And it was a pretty cool idea because we have some of this wood lying around. It's great for lifting the CPU off of the ground. We have this one as well. So this has two massive nails going through it. So what I want to do is get rid of the nails, then add some wheels to it. So let's do that. Also, I wouldn't need to do all of this stuff if we actually had some nice CPU trolleys available. So, good business idea for someone if they're looking for a good business idea. So because the wood is uneven, we are sacrificing this old, I think, Redmi coaster. It says you've got swag. Nope. So we're going to put it here just to give it some sort of a padding, just to increase the height a little bit and see if that works out. More packing? More packing. So the packing really helped, and it's now fully smooth. We did our test run with our expert road roller. And we're just going to finish this off now. By the way, we got these wheels off of Amazon again. There's really no replacement for Amazon. I mean, I could go and spend hours looking for these wheels, but it just makes it worth it to just get them delivered to your house. So we did have to go look for these screws, but if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, including this really cool cordless drill that I use, I can leave those in the description below if you guys want. So we got these really cool masks from Zotac, the guys who make graphics cards. So they sent us these COVID keys. These are really cool. So you wear it like this, and you can push buttons in elevators and things, and you can also open doors by simply pulling on it. I'll show you. So you can just hook it onto a door handle and then pull the door handle. And these are cool because then you can sanitize these and you don't have to touch things. So if you go to an ATM, you want to press some buttons on the ATM machine, you can do it with this. So they sent us a bunch of these. and they sent us a bunch of these masks. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna give these away to you guys since all of us already have this stuff. So follow us on Instagram at iGyan, and we're gonna give away all of this stuff over there. So see you over there. Now what we're gonna do is we've got this trolley from IKEA. It's called the Raskog. And the problem with IKEA stuff is that you have to build it yourself. So we've got wheels, we've got trays, and we've got to assemble this together. So let's do that now. And it comes with a Swedish man. Apparently a Swedish man looks like this, according to IKEA. That will conclude our video for the day, guys, but I also wanted to give you a heads up. This is the red color of the shirt we showed off in the live stream. Obviously this is not my size, clearly, but I'll be making a few colors, and a lot of you guys said you like the print, so this will be coming soon. We also have some magnets that'll go on your refrigerator, and the same thing will also double up as a keychain, so that'll happen soon as well. So if you guys like any of those things, watch out for the merch that's about to come. We are hard at work trying to get these things perfected because I want really soft cotton, which this is, and I want really good quality prints, which these are. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, smash like, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next video. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.